Well, these pictures tell us a lot about the crash in downtown Raleigh involving state auditor Beth Wood and her state issued car. Wood herself is not talking about it, and her silence is the kind of thing that she's fought against for years while auditing state agencies. WRAL's Adam Owens joins us live now from downtown Raleigh. Adam, sometimes silence says more than words.
Yeah, it can tell you a few things, according to folks I talked to earlier today, Michelle. We've been working, WRAL digging, trying to get more information on this case, the accident that took place here on this street here in downtown Raleigh, Salisbury Street, back in December. That's despite, as you just mentioned, the person at the center of the case remaining silent, the state auditor. But those political experts I talked to earlier today say that can also say something. These are pictures obtained by WRAL of the crash scene in downtown Raleigh. A dark-colored car lifted on top of the white car there after a collision. WRAL has confirmed that dark vehicle is the state-issued car of North Carolina Auditor Beth Wood. According to police reports, the driver of that vehicle fled the scene. At the moment, we look to these photos, police reports, and witness accounts to understand what happened in the crash. That's because the state auditor is not talking.
What raises questions for me is why she's so silent about it.
Meredith College political science professor David McLennan says without Wood's account of the crash, people are left to wonder, is this simply an embarrassing wreck or something more?
It's hard to know what could be happening here, unless it's something very, very bad. Just being upfront about it.
Since 2009, Wood has prided herself on holding other leaders accountable.
She has often, in her role as state auditor, criticized other officials, other government agencies for failing to answer questions.
WRAL state government reporter Travis Fain.
She was not there when police got there. She's charged with hit and run. Why did she leave? Why was the car still running when police got there? These are really reasonable questions. And if there are reasonable answers, why not answer them?
Fain reached out to other Council of State members. He says none are calling for Wood's resignation at the moment. And Fain says in this political climate, voters are often open to forgiving politicians. But he says that window may grow smaller and smaller as Wood stays silent.
Medicaid services, and we found that.
And WRAL has reached out to Wood and her attorney. We are still waiting for comment. Michelle.
A lot of questions still need to be answered in this. Adam Owens live in Raleigh. Thanks, Adam.